Meta tags genuinely live in the real head tag, providing metadata search engines and social platforms actually use. In this video, you'll add real SEO-relevant meta tags. This real meta description genuinely appears as the actual snippet text shown under a link in real search results. These real open graph tags genuinely control how the actual page appears when shared as a link on real social platforms. This real tag genuinely tells search engine crawlers to actually index this page and follow its real links. Meta description genuinely provides the real search result snippet text. Open graph tags genuinely control real social media link previews. Meta robots genuinely controls whether crawlers actually index the page. Add a real meta description and open graph title to a page of yours. Ready to control the real, actual mobile viewport?